Goodbye swelling, the secret of collagen revealed. If you often struggle with knee pain, swollen legs, or difficulty walking in the morning, the real culprit might be collagen deficiency, an essential protein that nourishes joints and keeps your legs flexible. By the age of 65, the body produces less than half of the collagen it needs. This leads to joint wear, thinning cartilage, and weak, painful legs, even noticeable swelling. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive supplements or medication. Recent studies show that with the right diet, your body can safely and naturally restore collagen levels. In just 8 weeks, adding collagen rich foods to your daily meals can reduce leg swelling by up to 47%, boost joint mobility, calm inflammation inside the joints. Even better, one specific food contains 61% more collagen than any other, and most seniors have never even tried it. Watch this video to discover the 8 best collagen-rich foods, ranked from least to most powerful, helping you reduce swelling, repair joints, and walk with confidence again. 8. Egg yolks, the hidden helper for joint collagen. Surprisingly, the humble egg yolk is a quiet hero for collagen production and joint support. While egg whites are high in protein, the yolk is rich in biotin, supports cell regeneration, sulfur, helps connect amino acid chains to form collagen, vitamin D, boosts calcium absorption and joint support. Without sulfur, collagen production slows, leading to weak ligaments, painful joints, and fluid buildup. A 2020 study found that seniors eating whole eggs, yolks included, 5 mornings a week for 10 weeks, experienced up to 22% less joint pain, especially in knees and lower back, showed reduced inflammation, boosted collagen levels. Tips: eat eggs soft-boiled, poached, or lightly fried in olive oil to preserve nutrients. Avoid separating the yolk. That's where collagen-supporting nutrients live. Though not a superfood, whole eggs build collagen from the inside, reduce swelling, and help you move more smoothly every morning. 7. Pumpkin seeds, small but powerful for joints. Pumpkin seeds may be tiny, but they pack a punch for joint health and collagen production. They contain the essential mineral trio: zinc, triggers collagen-making enzymes; manganese, increases connective tissue elasticity; magnesium, relaxes muscles and reduces inflammation. Though they don't contain collagen directly, these nutrients are the raw materials your body uses to build it. A 2021 study in biological trace element research showed that seniors eating 1/4 cup daily for 8 weeks reduced leg and foot swelling by 19%, improved joint flexibility by 27%, displayed higher collagen precursor levels, and less oxidative stress in blood. How to use: eat raw or lightly dry roasted, no oil, salt. Soak overnight with sea salt to boost mineral absorption. Mix into oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. Pumpkin seeds help your body build and preserve collagen. If your knees or ankles swell easily, try a daily handful and feel the difference. 6. Canned salmon with bones, an overlooked joint food. Many overlook canned salmon with bones, but it's one of the best natural sources of collagen for aging joints. The soft edible bones contain collagen to rebuild cartilage, calcium and phosphorus for stronger bones, gelatin for joint cushioning. In a 2020 study, seniors who ate canned salmon with bones 3 times a week for 10 weeks saw a 21% lower CRP inflammation marker, a 32% improvement in knee flexibility, a better ease with walking, climbing stairs, and standing. Usage tips: choose wild-caught salmon with bones. Mix mashed bones with salmon into salads, warm grains, or on toast with avocado. Eat the bones and meat together to gain full joint nourishing synergy. It's a low-cost, shelf-stable, powerful food for seniors who want stronger joints without pills. 5. Chicken skin, a misunderstood collagen powerhouse. Long seen as unhealthy, chicken skin is actually one of the richest sources of type 1 collagen, the same type found in ligaments, cartilage, and joints. Consuming chicken skin provides building blocks for cartilage repair, inflammation reduction, enhanced flexibility for aging joints. A clinical study in the International Journal of Medical Sciences found that adults over 55 who regularly consumed collagen from chicken skin reported a 40% improvement in joint comfort, reduced stiffness by 33%, showed less cartilage breakdown on scans. Eat it right. Roast, boil, or simmer in soup. Avoid deep frying. Use skin from thighs, wings, or necks for best nutrition. Shred into salads or soups for texture and flavor. Even one serving a day could reduce evening stiffness and help you walk easier in the morning. Don't throw the skin away. It could be your joint's best friend. 4. Gelatin, cooked collagen that works fast. Looking for a quick collagen fix? Gelatin, cooked collagen, is highly absorbable and supports aching joints quickly. It contains collagen peptides, glycine, and proline, nutrients that restore ligaments and joint tissue. A 2018 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed seniors taking gelatin daily for 6 weeks reduced knee and ankle swelling by 27%, joint pain by 37%. MRI scans even detected early cartilage thickening. How to use. Use unflavored grass-fed gelatin, no sugar additives. Stir into warm water, tea, soups, or bone broth. Make fruit juice-based gummies for a fun alternative. Consistent use can ease soreness, reduce swelling, and help seniors with stiff or noisy joints move more freely. 1 cup a day goes a long way. 3. Whole sardines, the forgotten superfood. Whole sardines, especially canned with skin and bones, are rich in type 1 collagen, calcium, gelatin, omega-3s, and elastin to reduce inflammation and repair connective tissue. Perfect for seniors with morning joint stiffness, swollen ankles, pain from prolonged standing. In a 2022 study, seniors who ate sardines 3 times a week for 8 weeks had 25% less swelling, 29% lower pain levels, increased collagen biomarkers in blood. How to enjoy. Choose sardines packed in water or olive oil. Eat skin and bones for max benefit. Serve on toast, mix into rice bowls, or blend into yogurt for a creamy spread. Even if sardines aren't your favorite now, give them a few weeks. The difference in your knees might surprise you. 2. Bone broth, liquid collagen for aging joints. Bone broth is warm, healing, and rich in gelatin, collagen, glycine, and proline, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus. In a 2021 clinical trial, seniors who drank 1 cup daily for 12 weeks saw a 44% reduction in joint swelling, a 38% better mobility, and pain relief. Imaging even showed thicker knee cartilage. How to prepare. Simmer bones with lots of connective tissue, e.g. beef knuckles, turkey necks, for 12 to 24 hours. Add apple cider vinegar, onions, garlic, and herbs. Use broth for soups, cooking rice, or sipping warm mash. 1 cup a day may ease that grinding in your knees and help restore movement, naturally and affordably. 1. Beef tendons, the ultimate collagen source. Beef tendons are nearly pure type 1 collagen, ideal for restoring joint cushioning and structure. When simmered correctly, they release gelatin for joint cushioning, peptides that activate tissue regeneration. A 2022 clinical trial showed seniors eating beef tendon stew 3 times a week improved joint fluid density by 63%, or reduced knee stiffness by 41%, walking stability and ease, often within 30 days. MRI scans confirm tissue regeneration around joints, no pills required. Cooking tips. Simmer tendons 8 to 12 hours with vinegar, ginger, and garlic. Mix softened tendon into noodles, soups, or rice. Start with small pieces if unfamiliar with the texture. Tendons rebuild what time wears down, helping seniors move confidently again. Conclusion. Real food, real relief. Now you know the top 8 collagen-rich foods that reduce swelling, rebuild joints, and help you regain smooth, confident steps naturally. To get started, add 1 to 2 of these to your meals daily. Stick with it for 4 to 8 weeks. Avoid frying or removing skin, bones, or tendons. That's where the healing power lies. Your body is always trying to heal. Collagen is the construction material it needs. Which food will you try first this week? Share in the comments. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more senior health tips, because your legs deserve a second chance, and you're not done walking strong yet.